Hi everyone, hello, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet J. So let us see the J alphabet. Like from J, we'll be discussing about joint pain. So if you are having any kind of joint pain, like if you are having pain in your knees, if you are having pain in your ankle, or in your shoulder joints, in your finger joints, anywhere if you are having pain. So what you can do about that, how to reduce that pain, let us see about it. Like how will acupressure help you in that? Let us see about it. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So what you can do is, you can take a ring, it is an acupressure ring, and with the help, so the basic treatment will be this, okay? With the help of the ring, you can stimulate all your fingers. According to Suzoc therapy, in all the fingers of our hand, we have the correspondence. Like according to Suzoc therapy, our hands are the full correspondence of our body. So in our small finger and the index finger, we have the location or the correspondence of our hands. In our ring finger and the middle finger, we have the correspondence of our legs. And in the thumb joint, we have the correspondence of our face and neck region. If you haven't seen our free acupressure live workshop, then you should definitely check it out so that you will be able to understand that how this is the location of the like full body is on this side, or how is the location of our hands on the small finger and index finger. You will know about all these things in it. If you want to see, then please check the link in the description box. The link are mentioned over there. Okay, so what we will do, we will give a deep and firm pressure. You can just press all the fingers properly. You can stimulate it. If you're not having the ring, then what you can do, you can take some oil and just stimulate it, massage this fingers like this. This will be the basic treatment for all kind of joint pain issues. Okay, this will be the basic treatment for all kind of joint pain issues. You can just press it properly, you can stimulate it properly, and you will see good results. You need to do it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, like do it in morning, then again you can do it in the evening. Do it 2 to 3 times in a day. Okay, and if you are having too much of pain somewhere, okay, if you are having too much of pain somewhere and if you want to subsidize it, then we have a point called as LI4, large intestine 4. The location of the point is between our index finger and the thumb. Over here you can see this line is forming just below the line. This is the point. This point is called as LI4. See again, in the sides of our thumb and index finger, you can see this creases forming. Just below that is the point. This point is called as LI4, large intestine 4. This point is called as analgesic point. This means that it works as painkiller in our body. Okay, so whenever you are having too much pain anywhere in your body, your joints are paining or anything such as that, then you can just stimulate this LI4 point properly. Stimulate it with both the hands. You can do it on both the hands, and massaging the fingers also you can do on both the hands. Okay, do it properly and you will definitely feel good results in it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. If you are liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe my channel.